GE3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, exercise number 9A. Copy from one file to another file. The contents we are going to copy from one file to another file. Let's see that. Before that, we want to see some one module and function that is a main thing we are going to use in this program. So you want to know the concept, then only you can use it in the program. So first one is shutil module, which helps in automating a process of copying and removal of files and directories. And then after installing that, after using that shutil module, shutil.copyfile, this method is used to copy the contents of source file to destination file, that is one file to another file. Okay, let's see the lab exercise. 9A, implementing real-time or technical applications using file handling. Here we are going to see the copy file from one file to another. Aim to write a Python program to copy from one file to another using file handling. Algorithm: step 1, start. Step 2, import the copy file module from shutil. Step 3, enter the source and destination file names. Step 4, copy the contents of the source file to destination file using copy file module. Then we can end the program. Program from shutil, import copy file. The module is shutil. Okay, from this module we are importing that copy file. Okay, so source file is equal to input of enter source file name. We are getting the input from the user. For that we are using this input of function. The next destination file is equal to input of enter destination file name. This destination file name also we are getting from the user. Then copy file. Copy file syntax is copy file of source file comma destination file. Here we have given the source file as a variable name and destination, so that we have given like this way. You can change the name. Then next, print file copied successfully. Then print contents of destination file. After copied, we want to know the contents, right? So that we are using this operation, that is file read is equal to open of destination file comma read mode. The next, print file read dot read off. After reader, we can close the file. File read dot close off. Here you can see the output. First, the content of the file, that is text file, is aa.txt. The next, that is a content is Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi. After execution, first you want to enter the source file and destination. Then file copied successfully. The contents of destination file is Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi. Okay, after that you can open the text file and we can see it. Let's see this execution part in Python. Before writing the program, you want to create text files. Okay, go to the Python path where you have stored the Python. Okay, here I have opened the text file aa.txt. Okay, text file I typed Grace College of Engineering, Thuthukudi. Then I close this file. Then I want to open one more text file. This is a destination file. Source file is that AA. That file name also you note it. Okay, so destination file is BB. Here there is a no contents. Right? Now I close this file. After that, you can go to the start and type IDLE, enter. So IDLE file is opened, that is shell. Then click file, new file. Here you can type the program. After type the program, click the file, save. Where you have saved the Python that you want to search it and you want to store that in that path. Here give the name, that is I have given new save, give one file name, saved. Now click run module. The source file, just remember that is aa.txt with the extension you want to give. Okay, then click enter. Destination file bb.txt, enter. So the file copied successfully. Contents of destination file is Grace College of Engineering, Thoothukudi. After that you want to check it. Okay, now you can go and open that file bb. Here already it is nothing in this file, there is no contents, but here the contents of source file is copied in this destination, that is Grace College of Engineering, Thoothukudi. Result: thus the Python program using file handling was written and executed successfully. I hope you all understood the concept of copying the contents from one file to another file. How to create the text file, how you want to copy it, how to write the program. After that, if you get the output, then you want to go and see the destination file, whether it is copied or not. Okay, just try all these programs. Thank you.